Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple gallery image for your Shopify store. Let's take a look at the store. They have a perfect grid of images with small padding with minimal header, and I want to copy exactly the section layout by using the Smind Sections app. Now we need to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and open up the Smind Sections app. Click the Sections tab and select the Gallery section. You'll see all the available sections right here, and I'm going to look for the free section. I find that this section is exactly what I want and click Install. Then click Customize to be redirected to your Shopify theme editor so we can get to work. Now that we're inside the theme editor, look over at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down a bit and click on the Add section to find the Gallery section. Click on the Gallery section right there in the editor. You'll see the main setting on the right side. This gallery needs to be impressive, and I will make this section stretch across the entire screen to change it to full width. Next, we have to change that default heading text, and we also want to delete the default text in the subheading field completely. Then, I'll keep all the media and layout settings unchanged because everything is set up perfectly from the beginning. After that, I add the color block to change the color for the section. Click Add Block to add color where you can change the background color to a solid white. I think the padding between the images is quite large and I want to change that. Click on Smind Styles to expand the menu and select Layout. Under the grid settings on the right, change both the horizontal space and vertical space to 6 pixels for both desktop and mobile devices. Next up, let's get our photos in there. Click on the first image block inside your gallery section and click Select and then Add Images. I'm just going to repeat this quick process for the remaining 5 image blocks in the sidebar until your whole grid is filled out. Before we publish, let's make sure it looks perfect on mobile devices. At the top of the theme editor, click the little mobile icon to preview the mobile layout. If everything is looking exactly how you want it, go ahead and click the Save button to publish your changes to your live store. And that's it, we're done, and thanks for watching my video, and see you at the next one.